Good morning everyone and welcome to another day of the Dubai vlog. The second one that's coming out. If you haven't checked out my first one, after you watch this video, go check out my first one, keep you guys up to date, get to see everything that's going on. Just finished breakfast, was really nice, and I was going to leave my phone behind and not take my phone with me because I'm with my family. There's nothing else I really need to be needing my phone for, but I thought I'm just going to take it with just in case I need to get some photos and all that type of stuff. So let me just quickly show you. You can see there's windows everywhere, floor to ceiling almost, and the whole of Dubai you literally can just see out for miles. It's so nice when you wake up. As you wake up, we don't even close the curtains. You wake up and you just see the beautiful high-rise buildings of Dubai and everything like that. It's absolutely stunning. Housekeeping is coming now to just clean this whole place up. Then I'll do a tour. We're going to the flower gardens, I think it's called. Show you another view from outside here. It's just for miles, big buildings down there, all the way along there. We're going to the flower garden today. We didn't really have too much planned today. We're going to go to the flower garden because apparently it's just something really special, something you have to go do. So we're going to go do that. And then just see what happens for the day. Come with me, I'll take you guys along. And I'm just really keen, got the whole family together. So nice to have everyone. So nice to just be able to do everything together. Haven't seen some of my family for 6, 7, 8 months, so absolutely loving it. Once again, thank you so much for my mom if you're watching this, for putting all this together. We always really appreciate it. But let's get adventuring all over Dubai now. Just got to the flower place. I don't know if you can see in the background, it's down there. Not too many people here. We've just put up in the Uber. We've been taking Uber everywhere because they don't have 6-seater taxis and there's 6 of us, and we want to go in 2 separate taxis everywhere. So it's just turning out to be very expensive traveling everywhere, but it's really nice. At least we can all be together. It's a beautiful day, nice and hot, but really looking forward to this. Me and Clayton weren't too keen to go and do it. So we were like, oh, it seems a little bit girly, not that fun. But after seeing the photos, after seeing what it looks like, I think we're gonna have a good day. There's Clayton. Oh, I'm still soldiering on, but yeah, really looking forward to it now. This is the inside. They've got huge statues of cats made out of flowers. So my mom's getting a photo there, seeing as she has 5 cats. Pretty cool. Mom, look, there's a cat. There's a cat. You can take another cat home. I was gonna go love the cat. Yeah, they got these cool seats all the way down there, all the way up there. This is meant to be somewhere in Portugal. They have all these umbrellas and that there. If you watched my last video, I tried CrossFit out and my form was absolutely terrible. So I'm pretty sure my back is broken. So resting at any possibility we can. You see, that's my family and cats. They're taking photos and all loving them.
Hello, you're a pretty one, aren't you? You're a pretty princess.
This is the centerpiece. Mick busy chilling in the hammock. They have hammocks all the way down, all the way up. But the flowers are so beautiful and they're just everywhere. They almost look fake. What is your opinion so far? Are you happy? Or yeah. And you didn't want to come in it. Ended up turning out quite nice. This is what I was talking about, what convinced me to come. They got a full size A380 made completely out of flowers. Oh, this is what we saw from the road, where we saw the thingy on there. What was I saying? It's like a Disneyland full of flowers, little castles, all made out of other things. Smell really good. Oh, bubbles flying in the air. This is the lower level. What are they meant to be? Like teapots or something? No, I don't know what those are. Oh, they're little flutes. Little castle. Playing that side. There's the cats where we entered. Little obviously plays in that garden there. I'll show you a close up of all these arcs and everything. How cool is this? This is a peacock, like on top of the hill. There's a peacock up there. This is this full tail all the way down. Really, really cool. And in this section where you enter there, it's all the Disney characters made out of flowers. You got Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, those little ducks with a cricket bat, and I'm not too sure why they're holding. Goofy. Is that one Goofy? I don't know what this one is then. Maybe it's another Goofy. Pluto. Another one there. Donald Duck. Some more flowers. And to think this is in the middle of a desert and to keep them fresh is pretty impressive. Little lunch spots all the way down and around here. You can just sit in and it feels like you're in the middle of a forest. Oh, it's a little ants, check this. Big teddy bear holding a heart in all houses all the way along the sides. Myself home with some elephants down there. We're just saying some of the stuff is quite random and you don't know how it fits in. Like here, it says Miracle, that's in my handbag, hope you like it. It says Miracle Gardens, but it's a random like basin tap with some toothbrushes and stuff, and so we're not too sure how it really fits in. The random elephants there, like everything's like pretty much Disney themed. Big A380 dinosaurs. Clayton, I think, catching up on sleep. We got about 2 hours sleep 3 nights ago. 2 nights ago we got 4 hours sleep. Last night we got 6 hours, so that was a little bit much, but it's all catching up with us. So we're all just living on caffeine right now, but you got to make the most of it. You got to just push through. Family time and just enjoy. This one's probably one of the coolest one I've seen. Did you lose your phone? This one always freaking out. It's the lady with the hair going into the water. That is really, really pretty. Sure, Anne. It's such a beautiful day. We're now at the Hard Rock Cafe for lunch. It makes me feel like I'm back in Norway. You can see the gigantic IKEA back there, but like a quick overview of the fireplace. It's pretty cool, but considering that it's almost costs about $50 to get the US dollars to get there, and then entrance is quite expensive. My mom gave it a 4, I gave it a 6. My brother said he's not even going to give his opinion because the only cool thing he liked about it was seeing the cat in the beginning, the real life cat. My sisters really, really enjoyed it, and Mick thought it was really cool. Really cool things. It's a nice thing to just do once. It's like one thing you do, but like I was saying, you can only go at a certain time of the year. It's something you just go visit once, you see it, experience it. Balonolo was cool. My sister and them want to go look at IKEA, so we probably just go look at IKEA, go look inside the mall, and then we're going to go to the Hard Rock Cafe for lunch. Eventually a pretty successful shopping trip. We ended up finding 2 black caps with the white New York logo on the front. We've looked literally all over Dubai for them. We couldn't find them. We found 2 in the one store, so me and my brother both got them. We're now going to quickly go meet the rest of the family at the Hard Rock Cafe. But also, we looked at the Breitling store, found a watch that my brother liked for his 21st, but it's only 9 months time, but we're just getting everything sorted now. So we found one he really likes. It's beautiful with a white face with 3 different blue dials in it. The orangey red ticking hand, so it's really, really cool. But getting pretty hungry, and then mom's got a doctor's appointment We're probably just going to chill for the rest of the afternoon, and then we're going to the Queen Mary, Queen Mary, the huge cruise ship, the most luxurious cruise ship in the world. So that's going to be really cool, and I can't wait to show you guys. We are running really behind time, but before we went, I just quickly want to show you guys my outfit. We're on the way to the Queen Mary or Queen Elizabeth, whichever the huge cruise line is. We're going to go have some drinks, some dinner there. So I thought I'd show you guys what I'm wearing. You have to wear a blazer, dress smart. So I have this blazer on. You've seen it before if you watch my other vlogs. We bought this shirt yesterday, really nice. It's patterns, I don't know if it's flowers already. And then it's got white buttons all the way down my Pringle belt. Just normal, like bluey colored dress pants. My leather shoes, and the pants are just slightly short, as you can see. And then you get a little bit of color on. Like I said, I've got this huge mirror in my room, and then Dubai down there. Threw some gel in my hair, haven't used gel in years. Threw some on. We're gonna all go down now, catch an Uber, go down to the harbour, and I'll throw some pictures on here, what you can see now, and then I'll see you guys when I get back. Good morning, YouTube. I didn't film anything else last night afterwards. It didn't, to some people it lived up to expectations, the cruise line and all that. It was just not as revamped and up to the standard what we thought it was going to be due to all the fees and prices and everything. But nevertheless, we had a nice time. We just went to the mall now, but to be honest, we think there was hardly anyone in the mall. A beautiful mall, but we don't know if the shops and that were in the water. Just walking with my sister Cassandra and Mika store at the mall actually was real, because we looked at Versace, we looked at Balmain, and just the quality of the clothing. We went to look at like smart shirts to try and find a smart shirt to wear, and the quality just really wasn't there. It felt very cheap, very like imported straight from Asia. So they carried on looking, because they're buying a new NutriBullet now, and we were trying to navigate our way back to the hotel. It's like every time we go traveling, it's like getting lost at Callan. But our hotel is the tallest building here, so we can see it in the skyline. So we're just going to navigate our way around there. Super keen. It's a beautiful day. You can see what I'm wearing: the pink Lewis Hamilton Pumas, some ripped jeans, just a normal Levi shirt, my new cap I bought with my Ray-Bans, and then I'm going to get back. Mom has to go to the hospital room again today. She has to go every single day until we leave. So unexpected turn of events that we have to do it, but it's all looking positive so long. And yeah, gonna go swim, gonna go chill, and then we're going to a show tonight, and the show is meant to be really, really amazing. What is it called? You can So explain it.
So it's almost like it's acrobats and all sorts of acts where they have like where they have motorcycles.
And they just got run over.
Yeah. Where you have motorcycles and like a big ball, and people dive into small pools. So it's quite an exciting show. Yeah.
It's just meant to be something really exciting, really exotic, like really different, once in a lifetime thing they say you have to go see. But I'm so used to this in Norway, when you get to Star Street you just walk. I didn't realize it was a screen you can go. I didn't realize it was a red man. So I nearly got run over, but yeah, let's just flick back to the apartment. Back in the apartment, as promised, I'm just going to do a quick tour of it, show you guys what it's all about. It's got a kitchen, a lounge, dining room, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a place, a huge room you just got to put all your bags and everything. So this is the biggest apartment you can rent here. So let me show you guys. You come into the kitchen, when the servants here to do the work, you can close it. Just a little kitchen, thrown out everything, dishwasher, everything you really need. Just nice and small. Then we come to here, place to leave your keys, your watches, sunglasses. So there's 4 bathrooms actually. This is just another visitor's bathroom. Everything's touchscreen, so you can control all the lights and all that. The central aircon, everything's just touchscreen. You choose which room, the intensity. So the first time we got to it was really confusing, because I was trying to turn lights on there and I kept on turning lights off here, and my mom was trying to work. This is the dining room area. The lounge, really nice big couch. We put up a little Christmas tree because of the Christmas spirit. Brought our stockings. It isn't in the cleanest state because we've been living here a couple of days, but every day the people come and clean. You've got beautiful views. You can see here, I've showed you in my other videos of all of Dubai. It's pretty amazing. Let's close that up there. You have 24-hour like room service, butlers, help, everything. You just pick up the phone, you ask them what you want, bring waters, food. So that's really, really nice. Central aircon, as I said. And all the walls are done in almost a material, which is quite cool because we had a one full wall in our house made up of leather, a vegan's nightmare. But it was really cool and nice to feel. This is the first bathroom. Once again, pretty much just granite everywhere. A nice big tub, bidet, toilet. And there's Bose speaker system, I don't know if you can see up here, that throughout the whole house. There's even a volume controller in the bathroom. You can just go and just fiddle around with it. That's fine. Then this is another room. This is Cassandra and Mick's room. This is Cassandra and Mick's room. Just double bed. Another huge window outlook there. All the cupboards, the mirror, TVs in every room. Come through here. This isn't really too exciting. Touch me and turn the light on. It's just where you can store your bags and that so the clutter's not in the way. It's a nice little touch. Then my brother's bathroom. Granite everywhere. Massive shower. Bath again. Volume buttons. Everything like that. This is the room we've been sharing. My brother's just been lying in bed, hasn't been feeling too well, so that's why it's a little bit messy. Side table and up another huge window. Nice carpets, pretty much everything you need. Another huge mirror, there's lots of full body size mirrors. Then we come in this room, my mom's hiding because she was in a row. So this is the bath, this is the bedroom. We won't show you the bathroom because my mom's hiding in there. This is the sitting area, huge views. You can see this is over the Dubai Creek. Out here, the window's a little bit dirty. But they have seaplanes, like lovely yachts down there. We're at the yacht club down there the other night. There's actually a plane taking off. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. But yeah, that's basically it. Another TV, everything. Also all the controls to control all the lights and that of the touchscreen there, aircon. And a big TV screen. So that's pretty much it. This is where we're going to be staying for the next couple of days. Just trying to think if there's anything else we need to include. And yeah, I think I touched on everything. That's basically it. I'm going to end the video here because I want to try and I've really got quite a lot of footage. I want to keep it simple, roll on. So if you guys like this video, just hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, give me feedback below, hit the like button, it takes a couple seconds. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned, there'll be another one coming tomorrow.